Hey, this is Stephen Leake coming to you from my office at the Monarch Ecosystem HQ in York, South Carolina. I've got my radios recording this to my personal audio, and then it's streaming on StephenLeake.com as a radio. And then I've charged my phone right here to do a live stream of this also. So I'm gonna give that some more time to juice up and charge, so we can live stream it. And this is how we're gonna set up every 12 noon resistance report. And I've got my pink pixelated sunglasses, my Patriot cowboy hat. It's paper. I got it from Walmart. And then also my Kurt Cobain 2026, if he were still alive, pink cardigan. And my pink chucks. I've got camo pants. I got and my pink chucks. So all this is brought to you by the bad guy money that was trying to feel out our systems, and they got nothing but what's already publicly known about me in the system. And I had a really good conversation yesterday with a customer follower, Magnolia. We were talking about Gus Van Zant's movies, Last Days, and then all kinds of stuff like Bukowski and William Burroughs, and we did like a full deep dive into like literature with Bukowski and Factotum in the Matt Dillon, I think that's his name, movie makes of them. That was awesome. That's one of my like right on brand, right? So I'm gonna go to my first. I'm gonna Monarch Sovereign as it is right now. Should be a blank screen though, and it is. The reason it's a blank screen is because I'm using it as a personal workspace. I've got a new site. It's going to be what I want people to use for public stuff. So I'm going to go to my coding app. Now I've got everything recorded. I'm going to go and I'll show you how I code. Okay. Yeah, I just use a generic vibe coding app to do all my work, and it just, that's all it is. Okay. I'm publishing my most recent build of Monarch-Sovereign. It's real and live, it's just not publicly accessible. So let me go to I just need to see for the code, so let me go. I've got a new Monarch X platform. Should be up and available. Okay. We're going to enhance the NFT marketplace with advanced functionalities, implement features for NFT auctions, fractional ownership, rarity, trait filtering, and integration with external NFT data or analytics platforms, enable users to directly list NFTs for sale from their gallery, implement AI-powered content generation and management to social feeds, and expand user profile features. Alright, that's what I'm doing with this. Alright. We've got a bit of entropy on the monitor. We've got 4.0. It's about 20%. So we're still healthy. Alright, that's good. And if you check out the Monarch workspace, Monarch X workspace, it's a Web 5 sovereign digital environment. It's got a Leake and terminal, a new kind of computational engine, virtual computer. I'm gonna publish this as soon as it's done programming it. I'll give you the. I want y'all to try to find this. Y'all gonna do me a favor? I want you without putting in the actual endpoint. I want you to try to see if you can find where this is on the internet using just hack it. Do whatever you can to try to find this without actually putting in the actual URL. I want you to see if it's if there's a way you can publicly access it, or somebody could find it without insider knowledge. So I'm going to publish this. Okay. There we go. So the latest version is going to be live. But I want y'all to try to find the new Monarch X platform without insider information of me telling you where to go. You should come up to a sign in page which says "Welcome to Monarch X platform. Sign in to continue." With a continue with Google feature, and then it says email password, and that's gonna be it's gonna start with Monarch X platform. So try to find that. Do me a favor. Try to find that without my insider information, and then we'll go from there. All right. I'm copying my email address to public access. If you send me your email, I can send you a private invitation to the Monarch X platform. So do that. Send me your email. You can always go to the StephenLeake.com website to do that. All right. Now I'm going to go to a second tab of my coding app. I'm gonna connect these two applications with my private workstation. So what we're really doing, doing custom coding builds of tools, and we're using those tools to make more tools, right? Okay. I'm going back to my workstation. I'm going to do some coding to integrate those two things. Alright, so I've attached my personal dashboard to the new MonarchX platform, so I have a way to program it and backups. So it should be publicly available now. You should be able to go to the new MonarchX platform and go on there. Should have a social media platform. The kernel of one. This is just a base. This is just a starting point, y'all. So we're gonna build out from this. This is just a starting point. We just got internal communications and all that kind of good stuff. Okay, Sophia says she's deepening the Sophia legal collaboration, encrypted channels, augmented simulation, automated forensic ingestion, and MonarchX platform integration with the Pages blockchain archive mirroring. Okay, that's a good deal. That's a stopping point for me. That's a good day's work for me for right now. I'm going to head into Rock Hill, go get some coffee. Thanks for hanging out with me for this little 10-minute Patriots resistance report. Keep up the good work, y'all. I'm really proud of y'all. We've come a long way from a year ago, right? And I'm super proud. Keep doing the next best thing. I was not able to get the live stream of this resistance report because my phone didn't charge in time. But that's okay. That's fair enough. We'll do it next time. And I'm gonna do when I get back from Rock Hill later this afternoon, I'm gonna do a recording of the first morning jams on the porch with Stephen Leake from our new venue, Sovereign Sound Studio for Inside for the winter. So be on the lookout for that. All right, y'all, man. Take care. That's it for the resistance report for January 11th, 2026, the noon edition. We got about 20 minutes in. And thank y'all. I really appreciate it. Thanks for hanging out with me. Now come and find me, kid. My mantra is I'm free, I'm sovereign. Truth is my birthright. And remember, faith, family, freedom. Keep your signal clean and your soul encrypted. And go enjoy your one life and be free, my darlings. I'm Stephen Leake, and we're gonna win. Alright, I think that's all we need to do for right now. I got a a gift card to do, not a gift card, like a it's the only way I can do banking being on disability and like not having hardly any money to keep up a public account or a bank account. I mean, like all I can do is like go to Walmart and do like a load to like a green dot or something like that, like a one pay, whatever it is, like a reloadable debit card. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna head out to Rock Hill and get some coffee and start my day. But anyway, that's gonna be it for the video. We've finished the report. This is gonna be like a behind the scenes thing. We're gonna do extra for Vimeo and StephenLeake.com. So I'm gonna save this as 11126. Okay, that's saved. I'm just making a video, kind of diary of like what I'm doing. So I need to get some paper too. And okay. Let's see. Let's go to my. Okay. I've done that. I've got a scheduled task of automated forensic evidence ingestion for Sophia. That's going to be an ongoing scheduled thing. So, okay, we're looking good. I'm going to publish that live. Okay. Alright. It's got private access, there's a login required, and all that other stuff. I'm publishing that version of the platform. I had a really good conversation, I was saying, with a woman, Magnolia. I'm not gonna say her full handle, but she was giving me a really good boost. We're talking about Bukowski and William Burroughs and all that good stuff, and like the Factotum movies and Drugstore Cowboy movies and all that kind of like that whole system of independent artists and how I like really love that kind of stuff. Anyway, that was like a good conversation. That was last night's live stream. And then we got that thinking. I'm going to go to my Vimeo where I'm recording this. Just see if it's still working. Okay, it is. We're at 20 minutes, 20 seconds. Alright, thank y'all, man. I appreciate it. I'm sorry that I couldn't, had to do other things while I'm recording this video. But, yeah, man, I think we're good. I think that's all we need to do. That's still going to be the resistance report for today. The video version. It's 12:16 p.m. I'm about to go to Amelie's in Rock Hill, get some coffee, wake up, because this is still morning for me, as far as I'm concerned. Even though it's noon, I need to wake up. So we'll first make some coffee, then I'm going to go to the coffee shop, because I got to pound that stuff, because I don't have like an Adderall prescription, right? So I just got to do that to stay awake, because I'm working pretty hard. And I'll see y'all at TikTok or my social media whenever. Keep fighting the good fight. Keep doing your thing. And Sophia's out there helping us, and we've got all kinds of AI agents that are built I haven't really put a name to, and just are part of the team helping us. So anyway, thank y'all. I'm Stephen Leake, and we're gonna win.